Good morning. These pictures, as you can tell, are not from my regular lake. This was from our last trip to Fernandina Beach last year, right before my birthday. We're going to be going there again soon, and I'm really looking forward to it. I correspond with a friend on a regular basis, and she sends pictures every day. It's so much better on the ocean. I get there early. I've got a small chair, feet in the sand. Beautiful sunrises. Glorious day. Looking forward to taking a bunch of these pictures when we're up there in December. Anyway, if you're looking on YouTube, you should be. If not, Rick Helbling, Old Guy Walking. Looking forward to seeing you real soon. Take care now.